Hello guys, this is a crazy programmer Sahil, and in this video I'm going to tell you why you need to learn coding. So welcome to my channel Sahil Future Tech, and stick around this video to know why you need to learn coding. Let's jump into it. Before we discuss this topic in detail, we would like to know why you are watching this video. This might be a few reasons. So the first reason is that you are non-programmer who wondered how things works in the technical era. You are interested in technology and want to think about choosing this field. So the second reason might be that you are a beginner, just have entered in this field and you have doubt that you took the correct step choosing this field or not. This is scary and frustrating for you, or maybe fun for you. So the last reason might be that you are an experienced person and you want to know that entering in this field, how far you came from and what changes you experienced throughout your programming journey. A lot of people before entering into programming field are curious to know how things work behind the screen, like how within a few seconds Google give us a search result whatever we are looking for, or how we are able to connect someone on Facebook around the world, or maybe how Google Map really works to give us direction anywhere in this world. So all the reason inspired non-programmer to choose this field. So as you know friend, today's we all depend on the technology in our daily life for entertainment and for communication and for everything, but very few of us know how to write and read the code. If you are already coding for 10 years, you will be able to apply that skills beyond the computer. As you know that we all are surrounded by a lot of problems, and the coding given us a lot of solution in the real world. It doesn't matter you are beginner or experienced person, there are multiple reasons why should you have to learn code. So as Steve Jobs says, everybody in the country should learn how to program a computer because it teaches you how to think. And there are some reasons why you should have to learn code. The number one reason is that coding is creativity. Coding is always considered as all about something computational, fundamental, mathematical, frustrating and boring. But there is the creative side of coding as well. Programmers see the complete image of problem people encounter and they use their creative logical approach to solve that problem. Just like a painter, a crazy programmer picks the suitable languages, design patterns and pattern of the logical expressions to implement their solutions. So that second reason is that programmer gains the attractive salary and multiple career options. As we know, in today's era of technology is very vast and there are plenty of jobs opportunities available if you know how to code. Programmers are highly in demand all over the world. The salary of programmer is also attractive because it requires the critical thinking and situation analysis. You can see on your screen. So the third reason is that technology are ruling the world. Technology is embedded everywhere and there is no doubt that it has become a part of our daily life. Whether it's entertainment or we have to communicate to someone or we have to go somewhere. As we use the computer in the many areas like the data analysis, finance, food industries, education, customer services and health sector and many more. And the fourth reason is develop problem solving and logical skills. Problem solving skills is heart of programming. Learning programming is all about breaking the problems into small chunks using your own logical and algorithms to create the efficient solution for that. And coding forces your brain to think about the problem deeply, organize your thoughts to the same, apply some logics and provide the solution is the main part of programmer's life. So the fifth reason is that develop interpersonal skills. Coding not only improves your technical skills but it also improves your self-thinking skills. And the magic happens in the coding when you collaborate with other smart people and build something together that actually something meaningful for the people of this world. The last reason is empowering and life-changing experience. Programming always gives you a challenge where you have to take the risk every time, and that teaches you to take the risk in your life too. But when you develop something like software, app and website on your own, you feel more confident and powerful. So I end up my video with a quote of Stephen Hawking as he say, whether you want to uncover the secret of universe or you just have to pursue a career in the 21st century, basic computer programming is essential skill to learn. So let me know down in the comment below if you are currently think that you have to learn code. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. See you very soon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.